Hey there, fellow diabetics and food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you delicious and healthy recipes tailored specifically for managing diabetes. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Today, we have an exciting topic for you: quinoa recipes for diabetics. So let's dive right in. Before we jump into the recipes, let's quickly address the question on everyone's mind. Is quinoa good for diabetics? The answer is a resounding yes. Quinoa is a fantastic grain alternative for people with diabetes. It has a low glycemic index, which means it won't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Additionally, it's rich in fiber and protein, making it a great choice for maintaining stable blood sugar levels and promoting overall health. Now that we know why quinoa is a great option, let's move on to some mouth-watering recipes that you can incorporate into your diabetic-friendly meal plan. Our first recipe is quinoa stuffed bell peppers. This colorful and flavorful dish is not only visually appealing but also packed with nutrients. Here's what you'll need: 4 bell peppers, any color, 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 1 clove garlic, minced, 1 cup diced tomatoes, ½ cup cooked black beans, ½ cup corn kernels, 1 teaspoon cumin, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro for garnish. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice the tops off the bell peppers and remove the seeds and membranes. In a skillet, sauté the onions and garlic until they become translucent. Then add the diced tomatoes, black beans, and corn kernels. Stir in the cooked quinoa, cumin, salt, and pepper. Cook for a few minutes until the flavors meld together. Stuff the bell peppers with the quinoa mixture and place them in a baking dish. Cover the dish with foil and bake for about 30 minutes. Once done, remove the foil, garnish with fresh cilantro, and voila! You have a delicious and nutritious quinoa stuffed bell pepper ready to enjoy. Next up, we have a refreshing quinoa salad with citrus dressing. This salad is bursting with vibrant flavors and makes a perfect light lunch or side dish. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 cup mixed greens, ½ cup diced cucumbers, ½ cup cherry tomatoes halved, a ¼ cup crumbled feta cheese, 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed orange juice, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. In a large bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, mixed greens, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and crumbled feta cheese. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the orange juice, lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper to make the citrus dressing. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss gently to coat all the ingredients. And there you have it, a zesty and nutritious quinoa salad ready to be devoured. These 2 recipes are just the beginning of the endless possibilities with quinoa. Feel free to get creative and experiment with your favorite ingredients to make quinoa dishes that suit your taste buds. That wraps up our video on quinoa recipes for diabetics. We hope you found these recipes helpful and inspiring. Remember, managing diabetes doesn't mean compromising on taste. With the right ingredients and a little creativity, you can enjoy delicious and healthy meals every day. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more diabetic-friendly recipes and helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.